Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the hubcap here. I changed it a few days ago, but you can see the seal is still leaking, so that means the hub has a damage or some micro cracks. We're gonna figure out. So I got this one, a brand new one. I bought it and it comes already with a new gasket. This is the model I used for my specific the trailer I use in this video. So I also got new bolts here. They're really cheap. So to start this one, we're gonna need a bucket or something like that, like this one, an improvised one. I cut a antifreeze. Then I have a 13 key here to take the bolts out, some paper towels, so some brake cleaner I mean, and hub oil. So yeah, that's what we're gonna need. So the first thing it's gonna be to take all these bolts out, or you can drain it from here, all the oil, if it's on the bottom, but in my case I'm not gonna do that. Also you can check the level here, it's pretty low because it's leaking, so I'm gonna put it back because when I'm gonna take all the bolts out, I don't want to leak like any leaks on the side on the road, so I'm gonna use the hub as a holder for the oil. So we're gonna take them out really fast to minimize all the dirt and all that stuff. So now when everything's removed, I'm gonna clean everything and also make sure you don't have anything inside. Like, make sure to take a close look to look for any damages or anything inside. Mine already was cleaned a few days ago when I changed the gasket, so I'm gonna do it fast right now. Just take out that one, put two bolts here so the gasket is aligned with the cup hub, so it's easier to put it back. So yeah, you can see I'm showing you here how it should look. Like everything should be in place. So yep, I'm gonna put this one back. Let's put the camera here and put it back, and make sure you put the bolts like in opposite parts, or I don't know how to explain, but yeah, if you put one on this side, put the next one on the other side and go this way, and don't tighten it all the way to the end. So I'm gonna do it a few times because I want it the cup hub aligned correctly in the middle, because I don't want any leaks. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten them with my hand for now, and then just go a few times and tighten them easily around and go like in a star or opposite parts. I'm gonna do this one, then the one on the other side. And don't tighten them really hard right now. Just like that. And now we're gonna do it one more time. Now tighter. So yeah, just do it like that. So yeah, everything should be tight already, almost. Just last control, just checking everything. Yeah, everything looks fine. Now the next thing is take this one and pour some hub oil inside. So try to put it as much as possible, like a little bit more than the level, because if you're gonna drive a little bit, everything is gonna get, all the oil is gonna get on all the inside parts. And so I'm gonna pour to the line, and then I'm gonna drive around the block and check again and add and fill it up to the line where it says full. And then probably I would check it a few hours after driving, 1 or 2 hours. I would check it again, just making sure no leaks and stuff like that. So yeah, that's, you can see right now it's all looks clean and nice. I'm gonna just clean everything, because when I want to drive I want to see if there are any leaks on the inside. So I'm just gonna try to clean as much as possible to see if there are any leaks again or no. So yeah, that's it. Peace.